Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from class ZES 2312 Public Speaking Group 2. We are going to give a persuasive speech about environmental issue with the title Fresh Take on Recycling for a Better Future. Our group consists of 3 members, which are Nur-An Shafiqah Muhammad Sajari, Tibashri Narayanan, and Nur Alia Nazira binti Wira. In this presentation, we will start with an introduction of recycling, the effect of pollution on the environment, the reason for failing to make recycling as a habit, how can we raise an awareness about recycling, and last but not least, the conclusion of our speech presentation. Hope you can stay still and enjoy the video.
Nowadays, the practice of recycling as a routine of life is very difficult. This happens because there are people who are still not aware of the importance of practicing recycling in life. For the future, American proponent Annie Leonard once said, "There is no such thing as a way. When we throw anything away, it must go somewhere." This means that even if there is someone who is aware of its importance of recycling but still does not practice it and still creates pollution, this is because they do not consider environmental issues as a crucial problem on Earth. I believe that we should make recycling as our habit and part of our life so that we can reduce the existing pollution for the future of our future.
So let's go straight into a topic that's super important for all of us. It's recycling. We all know how important it is for the environment, right? But have you ever thought about how we can boost awareness about recycling, especially starting from our school and communities? Imagine if every school had fun activities that highlight the importance of recycling. These activities wouldn't just be ordinary, they would be packed with action like games that teach students the benefit of recycling in a way that's exciting. Students learning to separate their rubbish into the right bin like plastic, paper, and cans. Can you see it? It's an excellent way to turn a simple task into a valuable lesson. Plus, it's responsible habit that they can carry with them back home. Now, let's think bigger. What about community clean up days? This could be event where everyone comes together to tidy up public space and at the same time recycle reusable material. Imagine the entire neighborhood turning out learning how to recycle effectively. Each participant is not just cleaning but also take the positive impact of their hard work. And this is where the real magic happens. When families come together for these activities, they can share what they have learned, chat about the benefits, and inspire one another. And let's be honest, the advantage of recycling doesn't have to be all scientific and technical. We need to talk about it in everyday language, making it relatable and easy to understand. After all, the goal is to encourage more people to get involved. We could highlight how recycle helps reduce waste, conserve resource, and can even save energy. If people realize that this small act leads to be a better impact on our planet, they are more likely to join the movement. So, let's make recycling our shared mission. Together, we can turn it into a fun, impactful activity with everyone, from young students to busy parents, by simply starting at school and communities. We not only spread awareness but also create lasting habits that can contribute to a healthier planet.
Failure to make recycling a habit is primarily due to a combination of convenience, insufficient education, and limited infrastructures. Many people find it easier to dispose recycling can require extra effort, such as sorting items or finding recycling facilities. There is also a lack of awareness about the environmental impact of not recycling, and people may not know which materials can be recycled. Additionally, lack of recycling infrastructure, like the absence of accessible bins or collection system, further discourage consistent recycling behavior.
So, our very first point is something that affects us all. Environmental pollution. Our planet and our everyday life are significantly impacted by environmental pollution. These issues concern our very planet and thus affect each one of us in one or the other way. When harmful substances like chemical, plastic, and waste find their way into our air, water, and soil, they can harm animals and planet. For example, fish and other aquatic life suffer significantly when our water are poisoned. not to be overlooked is the air we breathe. Unhealthy conditions can hinder the ability of both human and animal to absorb. But it's not just nature that suffers. This pollution also threatens our food supply and clean drinking water. Every time we see litter in our park or breathe in smoggy air, it serves as a reminder that we must take action to protect our environment. We owe it to ourselves and future generations to work together to reduce pollution. By doing so, we can create a healthier planet for everyone.
Other than that, creating a community program is also one of the initiatives that can be done to raise awareness among the public about the importance of protecting environment. For an instance, programs to clean up coastal area. We are aware that the sea is the surface of Earth surrounded by pollutants from all over the world that can harm not only marine animals but also us, humans. With programs like this, we can educate people of all ages to love nature through mutual cooperation activities.
In conclusion, recycling is not just a responsibility but an opportunity, a chance to reshape our future for the better. By rethinking how we handle waste and embracing innovative recycling practice, we can significantly reduce our environmental impact, conserve valuable resources, and create a cleaner and healthier world for future generations. It's time to adopt a fresh perspective on recycling, recognizing its power not just as task but as transformative solutions. Together, through collective effort, we can turn waste into a resource building, a sustainable future for all. So, let's take action now because the future we want begins with the choice we make today.